Þeistareykir is a geothermal power station located midway between the Mývatn area and Húsavík. It is the first geothermal power station that Landsvirkjun built and was designed to expand along with the growing community's energy needs. Part of the Þeistareykir expansion is the installation of a topping unit. It will capture the energy potential within the steam gathering system that is currently discarded, making it possible to improve the efficiency of the geothermal fluid and reduce the carbon footprint without extracting more raw material from the geothermal reservoir.
The geothermal area at Þeistareykir has very high temperatures. Therefore, the geothermal fluid is very rich in chemicals. The geothermal fluid, which is a mixture of water and steam, comes from the boreholes to the surface at a very high pressure where it is reduced. This is done to avoid scaling in the boreholes before the fluid is directed into the production process. Now we are going to harness this high pressure.
The topping unit will utilize the pressure drop available in the system. Instead of reducing the pressure at the top of the highest pressure wells, the high pressure fluid will be directed to the topping unit and used for electricity generation. From there, the geothermal fluid will go to the existing separator station and continue on its usual path. The estimated capacity of the topping unit is 20 to 25 megawatts, and its energy generation is up to 210 gigawatt hours per year. The powerhouse for the topping unit will be located south of the existing separator station at the Þeistareykir power station. A new steam pipeline will be laid from the high-pressure wells to the topping turbine, parallel to the existing pipeline. The project does not require any further development and will utilize the infrastructure already in place.
We have described the topping unit at Þeistareykir as one of the country's most cost-efficient power plant options. With it, we improve the utilization of the existing resource without having to harness new steam. To our knowledge, this is the first time in the world that such a high-pressure power turbine has been installed as a part of a geothermal power station.
Once the topping unit is in operation, the carbon footprint per unit of energy produced will decrease, and it will enable us to maximize the yield from the energy resource. The topping unit will be operational by the end of 2028. Landsvirkjun's vision is a sustainable world powered by renewable energy. The topping unit at Þeistareykir is an important step in that direction.